Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check for software updates on the VIVO X300. So if you feel like you need to update your phone and you're not sure whether there is a software update available or not, what you can do is open up the settings, then scroll all the way down and tap System Update. And here it's going to show you whether you have a new system update or not. And as you can see, there is a new system update available for me, and you can either install it overnight, which well means that the update is going to be installed when you're sleeping, or you can install it right now to basically, install it right now. So let's tap on install now first, and as you can see, it's going to start downloading the update itself, so this might take a while. So once the update downloads, it's going to automatically restart your phone. So right now it's restarting, and let's just wait for that to happen. And here, as you can see, the screen is now lit up and it's going to boot back up, and after it does, we're going to check what version we are on and what actually has been updated. So there we go. The phone has updated, and now let's go back into the settings to see what happened. So we're going to go to settings, scroll down to system update, tap on it, and here, as you can see, already on the latest system version, Origin OS 6, Android 16, and we can tap on view update log to actually check what has been added. So here you can read about different things, maybe some things have been fixed, some new features, some app integration and stuff like that. So that is pretty much it. This is how you update your phone. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.